Hi, my name is Leah Taradash, and this was a lesson I did as part of my internship at the Museum of Natural History in their Science and Nature program. This lesson was for 4 to 5-year-olds, and it took place in this classroom at the museum. All of the children were sitting around the rug here, and the head teacher, me, was here, and they were also with their parents. And this lesson was part of their animal adaptations unit, and so its focus is on teeth. Hi everyone, I hope you all brought your smiles today. Can everyone show me their smiles? Ah, those are some great smiles. Now what are these things in our mouth that we're all showing off? Yeah, these are our teeth. Can you think of any animals that also have teeth? Yeah, a bear, that's one. A shark? Yeah, these are all animals that have teeth. And this is the first animal we're going to learn about. Pretty impressive set of teeth. Is this a bear? No, it's a shark. That's right. Can you look at this shark's mouth and tell me what shapes do you notice that its teeth are? Yeah, they're pointy and sharp triangles. So by looking at these pointy teeth, what kind of food do you think this animal eats? Does it eat meat? Yeah, it eats meat, and that makes it a carnivore. Can you all say carnivore? Yeah, carnivore, that means that it eats meat and it's a predator. It eats other fish. Now, sharks are pretty cool. I have the mouth of a shark here. Look at all those teeth. Now, since they eat a lot of meat, and what sharks do is they use their teeth to tear pieces of their food, of the meat, and they don't chew like we do. They just swallow it whole. So they're using their teeth a lot to tear the food. And since they use their teeth a lot, their teeth fall out. Do you have any brothers or sisters that might lose their teeth? Yeah, that's something that happens to humans, but it happens a lot more with sharks. And sharks are special because when they lose a tooth, they have 5 rows of teeth. They have backup teeth. You can see all the rows of teeth right here, so when they lose one tooth, another one can just grow back in. So this, the shark, is a meat eater or a carnivore, and we can tell by looking at its teeth. Now I have another animal here, the head of another animal. This is a deer, and can you look at the teeth of the deer and compare it to the shark? What differences do you see? Are these teeth pointy like the shark? No, they're smooth and they're flatter. So do you think that this deer eats meat like the shark does? No, it eats plants, and that it's called a herbivore. Can you all say herbivore? Yeah, so by looking at this deer's teeth, we can tell what kind of food it eats, and it eats plants. So what it will do is it will use its little front teeth and it will nibble, and then it grinds the teeth. It uses its back teeth and it grinds it, and the flat teeth help it grind the food so that it can eat it. So this is a deer that eats plants, and because it eats plants, it's called a herbivore. Now there's one other type of animal, there's lots of other types of animals, but one more that I want to talk about that has special teeth. What do you notice about the teeth of this little guy? Yeah. Can anyone guess what animal this is? I'll give you a clue. You find this animal a lot running around the parks in New York. Yeah, this is a squirrel. And it has these 2 teeth in the front called its incisors. Can you all say incisors? And these incisors are a special type of teeth that rodents have. Does anyone know any other type of rodents besides a squirrel? Yeah, a rat is one, a mouse. And there's one other type of rodent, actually, been chewing on this piece of this tree here. They're doing a pretty good job chewing. A beaver got a hold of this tree. And the beaver is the biggest rodent in the U.S. And so what it does, I'll show you with this squirrel here, it uses its incisors. Now these incisors can grow to be really, really long. But what rodents do is they gnaw or chew. Gnawing is a type of chewing. Can you all say gnawing? Yeah, they gnaw on a tree, just like that, and that's how it shaves down its incisors, because these can grow to be pretty long. Now, something else about the incisors, what color are these incisors? Yeah, they're orange. When our teeth are orange, is that a good thing? Are our teeth healthy when they're orange? No. Well, guess what? With rodents, orange means that they're healthy. Isn't that funny? Yeah, this has been a very, very healthy squirrel. So now that we've learned about animals that have used their teeth for different types of food, we're going to get a better look at our own teeth. Now, what do we use our teeth for? What kind of foods do we eat? Do we eat meat? Yeah, we eat meat. And do we eat plants also? Some vegetables? Yeah, so we eat plants and meat, so that means that we're omnivores. Can you all say omnivores? Yeah, so we're all going to look at our teeth. Everyone is going to get a mirror. And the first thing I want you to do is just give it a big smile. Have a great look at your teeth. Now, do you have teeth like a beaver or like the squirrel? No. What about the shark? Do you have big pointy teeth? No. So, everyone now is going to get a piece of bread. I'm going to pass it around. And now I know it smells really, really yummy, but you're going to have to listen to my directions first before you do anything. So the first thing you're going to do is take a bite out of your bread, like this. Now look at the bite marks on your bread. What shapes do you see? And which teeth did you use to make that bite? Yeah, you used your front teeth. Okay, now you can swallow. And the second thing we're going to do is you're going to take another bite. I might have to talk with my mouth open. I'm very, very sorry. But we're going to take your mirror, and the adults might have to help you hold the mirror. And don't swallow yet. You're going to chew. And look at yourself chewing. And then open wide. And see, where's your food? Where's the food? Is it in the front, on your front teeth? Or is it in the back? Yeah, it's in the back. Those are called your molars. And which teeth did you use to chew? Yeah, you used your front teeth or your incisors to take the bite, but you use your back teeth to chew. And now you can finish your bread. You can enjoy your snack. So now that we're experts on teeth, we've talked about animals that have different types of teeth and how you can really, by looking at teeth, you can tell a lot about an animal, like what kind of food that it eats. So we're going to get to go into the museum and look at dioramas of animals with teeth, and we're going to see some animals that might be eating other animals and how they use their teeth. But now, since you're experts, you can see by looking at the teeth what kind of food that these animals eat. So come on and get your flashlights and your vest, and we're going to go on a tooth safari.